The new kittens' names.
Okay, Sherlock is the male brown tabby.
Okay, Sherlock.
And Sadie is the blue calico.
All right, Sadie.
And Squeeky is the buff tabby that's in your lap.
Which Squeaky?
Squeaky.
Squeaky. Squeaky.
My autocorrect keeps wanting me to spell it with an EA. And then, yeah, you know who the others are. Lucy is the Siamese, and Lucky is the white with gray spots.
Lucky?
Lucky.
All right. And then I don't know these guys yet.
The gray ones?
Yeah.
The short-haired is Pugsley.
Pugsley.
Male. The longer hair is Paget, and she's a female, and those are Petra's babies.
Petra's babies.
Yeah, from Drew's room.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we got everyone, and then this is Fury. I know you.
Yes.
And
Fury.
then Nirvana's somewhere around here. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, look at you. You.
Yeah, hi Nirvana.
Oh.
Hey,
Well, I
girl.
can't see you.
Hey, Sherlock.
I know.
Well, you put something under there, did you?
What are you doing, silly? Is that a new baby you're stepping on? Is that a new baby you just kicked in the ear? Oh my goodness. He doesn't seem to mind though. Yeah. And a little snoot under there. Is that your sister? I don't know your names yet. What are you doing?
You matched this room today. You should go in. Oh, hey, you would match this room today. I just noticed that somebody did it.
Oh, it is so cute.
It was a picture of it. So cute. Yeah, she can take some. Sometimes she puts them on.